I came to supervise this new construction project that we have right now in Coconut Grove. It's a two-story home, as you can see, single family home. Let me point out what we do on the openings of windows and doors. This black material, you can see a black band around the perimeter of the opening and also extend it out to the exterior wall. We'll do this for waterproofing purposes. This is a waterproofing membrane that we use. This product is manufactured by GE, and it's an excellent product. We use this before we install the wood box for those openings that required or by design we decided to use wood box. On these particular openings, we're ready for storefront windows, and we designed it without the use of wood box. I'm walking the site out, looking at the conditions. You see those steel beams? They're ready now for us to install on this stairs tower storefronts, large format, very large pieces of storefronts on each side. One will be the north elevation and the other one the south elevation of this tower that you see.